Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my video talk about learning MPLS. Okay, from previous video we have learned together about the introduction about MPLS, and for this time we would like to learn together about the MPLS configuration on the simulator on the simulator we call GNS3. As I told you before, GNS3 is a simulator for creating a computer network, and for this occasion, we will do the practice for the MPLS configuration on GNS3. And this uh, practice, I will divide into two practice videos. First is basic Mpls configuration, and the second Mpls VPN concept configuration. Okay, for the first time, let we learn together about basic Mpls configuration. Okay, we can go to uh, MPLS. We can go to the GNS. We can directly go to the simulator Gen S3. This is the Gen S3, and you can see the topology for MPLS area. There are three router 1, router 2, and router 3, and this interface FA0/0 and 0/0, and for this interface 0/1 and 0/1. And for IP network for this area 12.12.12.0/24, and the IP network for this area 23.23.23.0/24. Okay, first of all, for create the MPLS or basic MPLS, you should to know about the requirement for creating MPLS. First is turn on the CEF, Cisco Express Forwarding, but by default this feature is active. And the second is put the IGP, Internet Gateway Protocol, or we can do anything for communicate to all router which running MPLS. And the third is turn on the MPLS, and the fourth is setting MTU, but this is optional. And let we go directly to practice creating MPLS area for basic from basic. And for create MPLS, we can active first the routing protocol, and here we use routing protocol SPF, and we can do this command for uh, turn on the routing protocol SPF. Okay, first of all, we can turn on the router first, and after that we can double click for router 1, and we directly log in for router 1 and go to configuration, go to global configuration module on the, and after that log in for interface 0/0, this like this, and the comment is like this, interface file 0/0, enter, and put the IP address with subnet mask 2. After that, turn on the interface with this command, shutdown, And after that, put this comment and put the IP address. After that, create a SPF 0. Okay, enter. And use this command, log agency change. Enter. Put the network. Enter. Okay. Or enter. Okay. After that, we do some configuration for router 2. Router 2 can minimize and active the router 2. Start. Okay. Double click. We directly login for router 2. Okay, go to global configuration mode. After that, login for interface 0/0 in this. Okay, the comment is like this. And put the IP address. And turn on for the interface with this command, no shutdown. Enter. And after that, we do for this interface too, interface FI 0/0 and interface 0/1. Okay, you can use this command. And put the IP address. Okay. And turn on for the interface, no shutdown. After that, put this command to create routing protocol SPF. Put the address. After that, we create SPF 10 and put network. Enter. Enter. And this command. Okay, we do some configuration for router 3, router 1 and router 2, and this time router 3. First of all, we turn on. Double click. We directly log in for router 3. Okay, go to global configuration mode. Login for interface FA0/1. Please hit this comment and put the IP address and turn on for the interface with this comment, no shutdown. This comment, enter, put the IP address, enter, and create SPF 10. Enter, put the network area. Enter, this domain. Okay. Okay, after that we can go to router 1 for checking the IP loop back router 2 and router 3 it is available or not. We go to router 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we exit first. Show IP route RSPF. Okay. We can see the result in router 1 that available IP loop back router 2 and router 3 and continue for activate MPLS. We can go to global configuration mode again, config, and after that IP save, enter MPLS label protocol ADP for taking a label and MPLS IP. Sorry, MPLS IP. Okay, we go to interface 0/0 MPLS IP. Sorry, there is wrong for the comment. Forget MPLS IP. Okay, we do some configuration in router 2 for activate MPLS. Okay, we go to router 2 and save. It is safe and IP MPLS protocol MPLS label protocol IDP. Enter MPLS IP. After that, go to interface FI0/0. Enter MPLS IP. After that, go to interface 0/1. MPLS IP again. Okay, we do some configuration for activate MPLS in router 3. Exit first. IP save and MPLS label protocol ADP. Enter MPLS IP. And go to the interface 0/1. Enter MPLS IP. Okay. And when uh, we can see the configuration MPLS, there is IP safe, but for that configuration by default is active. For doing check the CF is active or not, we can see the CEF table with show IP safe. Okay, we go to router 1 and then exit first. Exit first. Show IP safe. Okay, we can see the CF table for MPL SIP in global config, uh, optional, or we can see the activate by default. And for MPL SIP in global config, uh, there is available and then default, and for MPLS in every interface that which running MPLS should activate to. And MPLS need a protocol for distribution label, and that protocol is LDP. That protocol and protocol label distribution, there is two, TDP and LDP, and by default LDP. And we can see the interface which running MPLS and protocol label distribution using protocol 1. And we can use show MPLS interface in router 2. So exit exit and show MPLS interface. Okay, interface 0/0 is using LDP, 0/1 using LDP. After that, we can see it is router running MPLS and have introduced with the neighbor or not using show MPLS LDP neighbor in router 2. The first enter. Yeah, we can see for that comment there is two peer neighbor for router 2, which is LDP ID 1.1.1.1 and LDP ID 3.3.3.3, but our but our LDP is 2.2.2.2. By default, LDP ID uh, prefer or uh, prefer IP back uh, fast IP back, and we can definisi or LDP ID with LDP ID what using this command mpls router ID. Okay, mpls and copy and paste. Okay, first command using if mpls create and if we uh, do this command for router for change the LDP, but if MPLS cannot available, we can use that command without using force. Or see the LDP ID and then see MPLS neighbor. Can use show MPLS LDP discovery. Okay. In IGP, we have routing table, and in MPLS, there is label table, which can see with show MPLS forwarding table in router 1. First, okay, we can see for connecting to IP loopback at router 3 and 3.3.3.3/32 in router 1 will use label 17 and go to router MPLS neighbor in router 1 which run in interface FA000 which is router 2. Router 2 will use label 17 and you can use same configuration in router 2 and router 3 for doing management. Label can use label. We can do this command mpls label range 199 sorry config. Okay, but the router have the should reload first, and for that we for before the implement for MPLS we have to reload, and we can see path for destination that we are seeing in router MPLS with this command show MPLS LDP endings in router 1 X. Okay, after that for verification that we can ping to all loopback in every router and ping here for verification EGP. Ping on .1.1 enter. After that, sorry, I charge my laptop. Okay, ping 3.3.3.3 enter. Ping 2.2.2. Okay, we successful. We can do this configuration for router 2 and router 3. And after that, make sure that all router in MPLS area can ping MPLS. Okay, we continue for this comment. Okay, we skip this comment. We cannot ping like this. We cannot ping in to ourself MPLS except verification ping MPLS. We can verification threshold MPLS and we can do this configuration for router 2 and router. Okay, let we use this command threshold. P and invalid again. We cannot trace route to all IP loopback in every router, and we cannot trace route for ourselves, and we can see our configuration that we have to do, that we have done. Very short run. This is all configuration that we have done. Okay, and then can see the history or all configuration that we did. Okay, to rush. And place and router 3 show run again. Router 3, sorry, exit first. Show run. Okay, this is the history for all our configuration that we did. Okay. Okay, maybe enough for this occasion. We have done successfully our configuration for basic configuration MPLS. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.